How to set goals.
Setting goals is an important part of personal and professional development. Here are some basic steps to help you set effective goals. Identify what you want to achieve, be specific and clear about what you want to accomplish. Make your goals measurable, establish specific and measurable criteria for success, such as a certain date by which you want to achieve your goal, a specific number you want to reach, or a particular level of proficiency you want to attain. Set goals that are realistic and achievable. While it's important to aim high, it's also important to set goals that are realistic and achievable given your current circumstances and resources. Set goals that are relevant. Make sure your goals align with your values and priorities and that they will help you move towards the things that are most important to you. Create a plan of action. Once you have your goals in mind, create a plan of action outlining the steps you will take to achieve them. Review and adjust your goal as needed. Continuously track your progress, make adjustments, and update your goals as needed. You will have new information that can affect your goals. Stay motivated and focus on progress, not perfection. Set a reminder for your goals, and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember that achieving a goal is a process, not a destination, and it's important to stay motivated and stay positive.